See, looking towards Happy Valley, you can see that dense valley fog. So this is looking above the fog, and this is looking through the fog. It's also made its way up the East Coast and produced quite a bit of snow and actually some icing in parts of the Carolinas. Last couple of weeks, the story has been lots of sunshine. That is changing. While dealing with tropical storms has become commonplace for some areas here in the United States, areas of the Middle East are far less prepared. Why we're having these warm and humid conditions, you can see this high pressure system back to our southwest is turning in warm and humid air into Pennsylvania.
It was heading towards Bloomington, and that's actually where Indiana University is. So if you know anyone that goes to Indiana University, make sure that they are aware of this storm.
Your forecast for tomorrow, again, lots of sunshine, a little bit more breezy with winds out of the west at around 10 to 20 miles per hour. Looks to be a beautiful day for football. Temperatures around 83, maybe feeling a little bit warmer with that humidity, but many forecasters knew that this fall was going to be a very strong El Nino, which would lead to a calmer Atlantic hurricane season. You can see this whole big complex is moving up through the northeast, and that is bringing some flooding concerns, and that's due to a little bit of that daytime heating. As the ground heats up, that air rises and creates some of those thunderstorms that are possible. Good morning, here with your Center County Weather Report. I'm student meteorologist Amanda Reynolds here from the Penn State Campus Weather Service. Looking out there at our weather window this morning, beautiful view of Beaver Stadium, although it is pretty cloudy. You can't really see much of the sky, but we are expecting these clouds to burn off throughout much of the day. We are expecting mostly sunny skies today, but it is going to be pretty muggy both today and tomorrow. But we're going to look for some showers and storms to move through on Wednesday with the passage of a cold front, and that's going to make sure that it's a little bit cooler for this late week, and I'll have the details on that in just a minute. Looking at our current temperatures here in central Pennsylvania, here in State College, 66, a little bit warmer to our east. Philadelphia, Harrisburg are warm spots at 75. Erie also with the warm lake breeze up at 73. So central Pennsylvania's in the upper 60s, while extreme western and eastern Pennsylvania are in the 70s. Now remember the temperatures we just saw, State College 66, that is also our current dew point. Much of Pennsylvania has dew points in the 60s, climbing up to 69 in Harrisburg. So it's very humid out there. Relative humidity is close to 100% with those temperatures and dew points being very, very close together. And that makes it feel very sticky outside, although that is going to change over the next couple days. Looking at Doppler radar, not really much to see here in Pennsylvania. Our closest showers over in central Ohio, so that's not really going to affect our weather much today, but it is going to affect our weather in the coming days. Our futurecast, you can see mostly cloudy skies, but those clouds begin to burn off throughout the day. A few scattered showers down towards southern Pennsylvania, but not really much in the way of cloud cover here in State College. Clear skies for tomorrow. A few lingering clouds again still in the southern portion of the state, but you see building to our north and west those clouds. This is around noon on Wednesday. You can see just some clouds beginning to build in anticipation of that cold front. That cold front's going to push south and east, bringing with it showers and thunderstorms throughout the day Wednesday and into Wednesday night, but it will clear up most of the way before Thursday. So your forecast for today here in State College, a mix of sun and clouds, temperatures around 85. It is a touch cooler. We made it up to 87 yesterday with that dew point up near 70 degrees. So just bring both those numbers down just a touch, and that's what it's going to be like today with just a slight north wind. But tonight, clear, calm, and cool, 56 degrees. Those dew points come down just a little bit more, so back down into the 50s. Open window weather, so if you've had the AC cranked with that heat and humidity, you can turn it off tonight, open the window, make it feel a lot nicer in your home. So your forecast for tomorrow, abundant sunshine, high of around 84, less humidity. Those dew points again are going to come down just a touch with the winds out of the southeast at around 5 miles per hour. You can see there's really two stories here, that heat and that sunshine for today and tomorrow before that front comes through Wednesday evening, although the temperatures will rise a little bit before that, climbing up to 87 and allowing some of that convection But Thursday and Friday look to be much nicer in the mid-70s, and then we warm back up towards Sunday, climbing back up into the 80s. For the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Amanda Reynolds. Have a great day. Good afternoon, here with your CNET afternoon forecast. I'm student meteorologist Amanda Reynolds on this Thursday, February 18th. Looking at a time lapse of the Beaver Stadium cam from this morning. This morning started out with mostly cloudy skies, but those skies have actually cleared throughout the day. This is around 9 a.m. You can see just only a few lingering clouds, and then through the day today, those clouds have pushed on out and leaving mostly sunny skies. And again, that brings us to our current conditions. Again, you can see mostly sunny with current temperatures coming in at 30 degrees. Feels a little bit chilly out there, right around 23 degrees with that west wind at around 7 miles per hour. But again, with that sunshine, not really feeling too bad at all. Temperatures across the Commonwealth is pretty much the same story. Philadelphia, our warm spot at 37 this afternoon. Back towards the north and west, a little bit cooler. Bradford coming in at 21 again, with Erie at around 26. I mentioned the nice and sunny skies. You can see that's again the story across the Commonwealth. Just a few lingering clouds up towards Bradford, but you have to go all the way back to Ohio to even see some real cloud cover, and back towards Wisconsin, Minnesota, until you even see some light snow showers. And that's kind of going to be the story throughout the rest of the weekend. You can see, looking at our future weather, just a few of those clouds begin to push in overnight tonight and for early tomorrow morning. Again, there's going to be a light band of precipitation moving through early tomorrow morning, but again, just maybe a few flurries associated with that. That quickly pushes north and east. For tomorrow evening, again, up towards the northwest, possibility of a few isolated showers, but again, not really anything to disrupt your evening. A few breaks in the clouds throughout the day Saturday, but again, mostly cloudy skies is what we're looking forward to for this weekend. So your forecast for tonight here in State College, just a few lingering clouds as that next system begins to push our way. But again, it looks to be very chilly. Temperatures tonight only around 15 degrees with the winds relatively light, so we're not going to be able to mix the atmosphere or bring any warmer air from aloft down towards the surface. So again, it's going to feel very chilly tonight. Your thaw-in weekend forecast for the Penn State Dance Marathon, where over 700 dancers will stand for 46 hours this coming weekend in the Bryce Jordan Center. If you're looking outside the Bryce Jordan Center, actually not looking too bad. The past couple of years, it's been very cold, very wet, and again, this one is actually going to be quite a bit different. Tomorrow's probably going to be the coolest day, right around 38. But again, mostly cloudy skies, just a chance of a few passing showers, but not really anything to affect thaw. For Saturday, actually looks to be quite a bit above normal, around 52 degrees. Climatology is right in the mid-30s right about now. A few breaks in the clouds, so we could see some sunshine before more of those heavier, thicker clouds move in for Sunday. Temperatures a little bit cooler, but still well above normal, around 44. Looking at your 7-day forecast, again, those next 3 days for Penn State Dance Marathon look to be very nice, but the next system begins to move in for Monday, where it cools off a little bit, and the chance for some wintry precipitation, so some snow, some rain, some sleet and freezing rain possibly, depending all on the temperatures, and it's still around 4 days out. So make sure you stay updated with the campus weather services. We'll have more details on that storm as it comes and makes its way towards us. But again, cooling down for the middle of next week before yet another system moves through for Wednesday into Thursday. And again, we'll have all the details on those as they make their way eastward. But for now, for the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Amanda Reynolds. Have a great Thursday.